In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can install a WordPress theme in 3 easy methods. So, WordPress is the most widely used content management system in the world for building self-hosted websites. Chances are that if you're not already, you have decided to use WordPress for your own website. But do you know how to install a WordPress theme? Understanding how WordPress themes are added to your website is not complicated at all, no matter which method you use to use. And there are few, and the there are a few methods to install a WordPress theme. So the great thing is once your theme is installed, you are ready to create a standout website right away. So in this video, I'm gonna dig a little deeper on how to install a WordPress theme specifically. We will cover where to find WordPress theme, both free and paid, and how to choose the right WordPress theme, how to install a free WordPress theme, how to install premium WordPress theme, how to install a WordPress theme using FTP. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first topic is like where to find WordPress theme, both free and paid. So learning how to install a WordPress theme on your website isn't hard to do, and it's really not hard. Though it's choosing the right theme for your needs. But what is harder though is choosing the right theme for your needs. So, but before we look at you need to successfully achieve that, let's have a quick look where you can find WordPress theme. Right now, the WordPress repository is one of the most common places to find reliable and free plugins and themes to extend and design and functionality of your WordPress website. In fact, there are over 7,400 themes in the WordPress repository alone. So, adding to that, there are also thousands of free and premium themes available for WordPress that can be found on marketplaces such as Mojo Marketplace, CSS Igniter, StudioPress. That said, most famous theme marketplace to date is Theme Forest, which currently has over 46,000 WordPress themes to choose from. So now the question is how to choose the right WordPress theme. So how are you supposed to know which WordPress theme is right for you? So let me give you some tips. So you have to decide between a free or premium WordPress theme. The free versus WordPress paid WordPress theme debate has been around for a long time. This makes it tough to know whether you should save your money and go for a free theme or invest a small amount of money for a premium one and read the benefits. So it really comes to down to your budget. There are some things to consider before you're making a final choice. So let's talk about pros of using a free WordPress theme. Using a WordPress theme comes with plenty of advantage. There are free to use, which means if you end up not liking it, you want to change your WordPress theme, you have almost lost no money to for giving it a try. So the free themes in the WordPress repository are officially approved after going through a strict review process. So free theme found at WordPress.org will be compatible with all free plugins found in the same place. So that said, free theme do come with some disadvantage too. So for example, they typically have limited feature set are used by many people, making it hard to create a unique website. So, and there's usually little to no, prompt support if there are issues. So, not to mention free themes found outside the WordPress may be poorly coded, which may open your site to vulnerabilities and attacks. So, let's talk about pros of using a WordPress theme. You get support for your it if to help you with the things like bugs, technical issues, and customization. Such as you will receive frequent updates which come with increased security and features. So the feature sets range from mild to wild. You can design your site to look and do whatever you want. So if from a trusted theme marketplace company or developer, you will know your premium theme is up to date with all the latest version of WordPress, HTML, CSS, and PHP. So premium themes do, however, cost some money, and some paid themes are require a yearly payment, and others require one-time payment. This means if you buy one and later decide to change, you are out whatever money was spent. So you have to know your niche. WordPress caters to all kinds of websites, and so you can expect a WordPress theme to do the same. Knowing your niche before you decide a theme will help you WordPress theme that will have this design and functionality you need. For example, if you're starting a WordPress food blog, you will want to be on the lookout for WordPress blogging theme that caters to food website. Better yet, if you think that you might want to sell products and services to fellow foodies like yourself, you might want to check out some e-commerce theme and some that comes with the functionality to start both an online for food business and blog. So to make a good decision, think about the type of content you want to publish, key features your theme you will need, your target audience, and what industry you want to be. You can narrow your options and make deciding that later. So let's talk about using credible resources. So anyone that can develop a WordPress theme and make a profit out of it. But the thing is, Just because someone has created a WordPress theme doesn't mean he's free from bad codes, viruses, even spam link. So if you have decided to use a free WordPress theme, the best place to look is the WordPress repository. If you need a premium theme or want to use a free one from third party theme company, check for the following: author reputation, and you have to check frequency of updates, positive customer reviews, and number of sales. So in the end, it doesn't matter what type of theme you need. What really matters is avoid using null WordPress theme, so you don't have the problem in the future with site security, downtime, and lost visitors. So, guys, this was it for today. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching the video.